Let's now go to visual diagnosis of the skin. Let's discuss rosacea, pathology, and diagnosis. In Western pathology and diagnosis, rosacea is a chronic inflammatory facial dermatosis characterized by erythema and pustules. The earliest symptom of rosacea is usually flushing of the cheeks, which is followed by erythema, telangiectasia, dilated dermal blood vessels, papules, and pustules. Rosacea lacks the comedones of acne and occurs in an older age group. As you can see in the figure, this is a Chinese pathology and diagnosis. From the Chinese point of view, rosacea may be due to the following patterns: heat in the lungs and stomach, characterized by a red papular rash on the cheeks. Toxic heat, characterized by a red pustular rash on the cheeks with swelling of the nose. For blood heat, characterized by a red papular rash on the cheeks after aggravated before or during menstrual cycle. For blood stasis, characterized by a dark red or reddish purple papular or pustular rash on the cheeks and nose. In Chinese pathology of rosacea, the lung and the stomach heat, red papular rash on the cheeks, a toxic heat, a red pustular rash on the cheeks with swelling of the nose. For blood heat, it's red papular rash on the cheeks aggravated during menstruation in women. For blood stasis, it's a dark red or reddish purple papular or pustular rash on the cheeks and nose. For heat and lungs and stomach, erythema of the face, especially like two large butterfly wings to the sides of the nostrils, feeling of heat, thirst, red tongue with yellow coating, overflowing, rapid pulse. For blood heat, erythema of the face with papular skin eruptions, feeling of heat, mental restlessness, red tongue, overflowing, and rapid pulse. For blood stasis, a chronic erythema of the face with dark color, dark papular skin eruptions, dark complexion, a purple tongue, and the pulse would be wiry or choppy. For toxic heat, the red pustular rash of the cheeks with swelling of the nose, feeling of heat, insomnia, thirst, mental restlessness, red tongue with red points and a thick, sticky yellow coating. The pulse would be overflowing, slippery, and rapid. Thank you for your attention.